Endidas. Endemic is one of those GRE words that can trip you up if you're not careful. But don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Endemic means something that is regularly found and restricted to a certain place or group. Let's break it down with examples. First, think about kangaroos. They are endemic to Australia, meaning you won't find them hopping around in the wild anywhere else. Second, consider the flu. In some regions, it's endemic because it appears there year-round, unlike in areas where it's just seasonal. Lastly, let's talk about a more academic example. Certain plant species are endemic to specific ecosystems, like the giant sequoias in California. A solid vocabulary helps you understand questions better and makes your answers more precise. So next time you see endemic, you'll know it's all about something unique to a place or group. Keep learning and ace that GRE.